Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. So before I talk about the product, I really want to talk about skin barrier. Very important. Skin barrier is the outermost layer of skin cells. It is also the first line of defense that protects our skin from all the environmental threats. In a very simple language, if your skin barrier is compromised, it will result into acne, dryness, flakiness, inflammation, redness and all sorts of skin issues. Also, since we use so many actives to treat a certain skin condition, it is all the more important to have a very strong skin barrier, because all these actives like retinol, AHA, BHA, benzoyl peroxide, even vitamin C for that matter, they all penetrate through the skin barrier, start working within to show the result without. But if you have a weak skin barrier, if it is compromised, all these actives will do more harm than good, because they are so strong and a weak skin barrier cannot take it. Hence, it will result into a worse skin condition. So if you really want to take care of your skin, the first thing that you need to do is protect, repair and maintain a very strong skin barrier. One must incorporate the ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, peptides and SPF in your daily skincare routine. Talking about our product today, which is the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It is enriched with Ceramide 3, mango butter and hyaluronic acid. So let's understand what all these ingredients, these three main ingredients of this moisturizer really do to our skin. So the first one is ceramide. Ceramides hold the skin together and form a protective layer to help prevent moisture loss and also prevents the visible damage from environmental stressors. Hyaluronic acid on the other side promotes the skin hydration, leading you to achieve smoother, plumper and healthier skin. It also reduces signs of aging. And finally, mango butter, which is the most delicious ingredient of this moisturizer, is packed with vitamin A and vitamin C. It revitalizes the skin, which further promotes the firm, tighter and youthful looking skin. This moisturizer is non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores, and it has a mild fragrance, which is okay, I think, given all the other ingredients and benefits of this moisturizer. So this moisturizer simply hydrates your skin, helping you rebuild, restore and maintain a very strong skin barrier. Now talking about the packaging of this product, I love the packaging. It comes in a very sleek 100 grams tube. The colors are so good, they are so soothing to look at, and I think that is why it feels all the more better when you apply it. This is the 100 grams tube, like I said, which comes for some 350 rupees. I got it from the Requil website and got another 30 grams tube for free, which is great. My thoughts, my opinion about the product, I really have to say that I was a little skeptical in the beginning, because it is targeted for the people with normal to dry skin types, and I am a combination skin with an oily T-zone, which tends to get oilier, in the summers and monsoons. So I thought it may not really work for my skin type, but I really wanted to try it. I thought if it doesn't work on my face, maybe I'll just apply it on my body. So but once I started using it, I realized that it is so good even for my skin type, because I'll tell you, irrespective of our skin types, because of the skin concerns that we have, we use so many actives, right, that I just explained in the beginning of this video. They are so strong. So at least I use retinol, I use vitamin C, I use salicylic acid. So no matter what you say, there is an underlying dryness. Even though I am a combination skin type with an oily T-zone, there is an underlying dryness and there is this itchiness, which is which is there all the time. So I think this moisturizer really helped me tackle the aftermath of all the actives that I apply on my skin. So if you have normal skin or dry skin or even combination skin with oily patches, I think it will work perfectly for you. If you are somebody who uses actives, it will work, definitely it will work for you also. But if you have a very oily skin, maybe it will not work, maybe it will be too oily for you. But for somebody like me who applies so many actives, I definitely need something that can, sort of soothe my skin the next day, and this one just does that. So I love it. I've been applying it for almost a month now, and this one is definitely a repurchase for me. Finally, to sum it up for all of you, this one is just a very soothing, very nourishing moisturizer that will just do the job of moisturizing your skin. No big promises, nothing like anti-aging or nothing to treat a particular skin concern, but just to hydrate your skin from within. So if you are looking for a good moisturizer, definitely go for this one. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, I really hope you guys liked this video. I really hope it was helpful. If it was, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything that I put out. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.